4th of July, the family's outside, the grill's hot, and the ribs are burnt. Not just dark, them babies are really charred. That sinking feeling, we've all been there. Most folks panic and reach for the sauce, but that won't fix overcooked ribs. It just hides the mistake and turns it into a bitter tasting mush. First, check the internal temp with the thermometer. If it's above 185 degrees Fahrenheit and still juicy near the bone, you've got a shot. If it's dried out all the way through, you're in trouble. You might want to order some pizza. If there's still moisture, trim the edges where the bark's gone bitter. Burnt ends might look dramatic, but they taste harsh and acrid. Use a sharp slicing knife and get back to the meat that's still workable. Next, grab some foil and add a splash of moisture like broth or apple cider vinegar. Wrap the ribs tight and put them back on indirect heat for 10 to 15 minutes. This is the emergency steam treatment. It brings tenderness back to the surface. Now that the texture is saved, it's time to restore flavor. Don't pour sauce. Use a silicone basting brush instead and glaze it lightly. Warm sauce spreads evenly and adds shine without turning into syrup. After glazing, give the ribs a final rest. You can wrap them loosely and let them sit for about 10 minutes or so the juices redistribute. It's a small detail, but it makes this rescue taste intentional and not desperate. Look, these aren't going to be perfect ribs, but they're good enough to serve. That's what we call a solid rescue. But the real win is learning from this experience and not ending up here again. That's why we built the Grill Smarter bundle. It's a step-by-step system to help you manage heat zones, calculate charcoal amounts, and avoid burning food in the first place. From fire setup diagrams to timing charts, it's everything you need to cook with confidence, not guesswork. And right now, it's 20% off through Sunday only. Don't just save today's ribs, save your future cooks. Click below to grab the Grill Smarter bundle now. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, grill boldly, serve proudly, and enjoy the process.